A sugar body scrub is refreshing and rejuvenating, and it also helps to exfoliate your skin. I'm Jackie with how to make a homemade sugar body scrub. Blend 1 cup of brown sugar with a half a cup of white sugar in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, mix together a 1/4 cup of jojoba oil, or you could use coconut oil, a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, and a couple drops of essential oil of your choice. Add in the sugars and mix thoroughly. This makes a huge batch. It's enough for you and your friends, so you can divide it up into jars with tight-fitting seals, wipe the outside of the jars, label them, and enjoy. You can use the sugar body scrub to exfoliate dead skin cells and reveal the new young cells underneath for a youthful glow. Believe it or not, we get a whole new epidermis or outer skin just about every 30 days. I'm Jackie with how to make a homemade sugar body scrub. Have a sweet day.